Greetings from the journey of the future. Introducing the 2026 Mahindra Motorhome, a car built for adventurers with no boundaries. This RV is built on a sturdy basis and has a tough exterior that can handle any terrain. Modern design elements like sleek circular LED headlamps and a new multi-slat grille complement its classic, expressive form. A diverse choice of engines, including diesel, gasoline hybrid, and even all-electric models, sit beneath this tough skin. These engine choices are all housed on a versatile chassis that offers the ideal ratio of fuel efficiency to strong performance. You'll notice that the cabin seems much more upscale than its predecessor as soon as you enter. The dashboard has undergone a comprehensive revamp, showcasing an advanced digital instrument panel that offers all necessary data. A contemporary infotainment system with wireless connectivity is incorporated with a sizable touchscreen that acts as the dashboard's control center. The driver may enjoy a nice and comfortable atmosphere thanks to the improved materials and more ergonomic dashboard design. As you enter, you'll see that the inside of this RV is clever and practical. Flexibility is a priority in the design of the sleeping and sitting sections. For optimal comfort, the seats are upholstered in high-end textiles or even imitation leather. With storage below, the back part may be transformed into a cozy sleeping room for two people. The bright, open environment created by larger windows and ambient lighting makes you feel completely at home. This motorhome's bathroom is small yet practical. Its practical design includes a shower with a smart water system, a fold-down sink, and a portable cassette toilet. Despite its modest size, it provides everything you need to stay comfortable and clean while traveling without compromising on useful living space. This motorhome's kitchen is made to be functional. You may prepare basic meals with the help of a small, integrated kitchen module. There is an energy-efficient mini-fridge, a tiny sink, and a stove with 1 or 2 burners. Every inch of space is used thanks to clever storage and concealed drawers.